Welcome back to Pips and Portfolio. Today I have another exciting news for you. You know that whenever I make a video, I have something exciting to say. All right, so today we are going to claim a free $1,000 two-step challenge account without paying a penny for free. So there's this new program in town that is giving $1,000 for free, like candies. I mean, we just started the year, and this is like a New Year gift for everyone. That is VpropTrader. Anyway, if you've not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do. And you know that I always bring good stuff, I always bring value to you. If you're somebody who is always looking for some free accounts to trade, then this is a channel for you. All right, so let's get into it. Most of the times I know that I claim the challenges and all of that before I even share it with you guys, but today I'm going to claim it with you guys. Are you getting me? So yeah, so let's go. So as you can see, free challenge. First of all, you need to, of course, register. You can do that with your Gmail. I did it with my Gmail. So now when you open the platform, this is what you see. So let's click on free challenge. Let's click on it. It says show on your dashboard. So let's see. All right, so that's $1,000. It's a two-step challenge they're giving USD. As you can see, 0. Okay, so MT5 leverage 1:100. Okay, I agree to the following terms. So let me claim it and see. Okay, choose payment method. Choose this. Proceed to pay it. Think. So let's see. It's two. So okay, so as you can see, login detail here. $1,000 profit target. So that means that's 10%, $100, and then maximum total loss also $100. For minimum trading days, it's a two-step challenge. Maximum daily loss is 5%, so which is 50. Okay, time left 29 days. Oh, I mean, there is a time on it. It's I think 30 days. So you have 1 month to trade it. I see. All right. So yeah, basically, let's try and find their rules, because you know uh, okay, there's also a one-step challenge as well. Okay, so I think the one-step challenge would have to download I think you'd have to download the app if you want. But two-step challenge, you can just get it without downloading the app. Okay, so basically I think that is all. So I've just claimed it, so I can trade in, login info, details that I think I can see. Let me see. Trading. Oh, okay, this opens to be a terminal. Let's see. All right. Okay, MT5. Okay, so let me go back to home. I mean, I'm new here, so let's see. All right, so challenge. Yeah, profit target is 10%. Limit loss 10%. No time limits, but actually there's a time limit. I mean, when you pay for it, there's no time limit. But with the $1,000, the promo, so they're giving you 30 days to, I think, pass phase 1. Since the two-step, I have 30 days to pass phase 1. Then I don't know about phase 2. Then phase 2, you are doing 5% profit target, 10%. That's a maximum loss, and then no time, but that's for if you pay for the account. And then with funded, there's no profit target, 10% maximum loss anyway. So yeah, basically it's a new program, so it's free, and I think that they do not allow for news trading and then weekend holding. Yeah, so basically these are two things. Leverage of 1:100. So I think yeah, basically that's all, as simple as that. So guys, I'll post the link to the site in the description. Yeah, so you can check the description and then you find it. So see you next time. This is just a short video, I know, because it was easy to claim, there's nothing too complicated about this. So anyway, I know maybe $1,000 might feel like a small amount of money, but anyway, it's free, so yeah, we take what we can. And if maybe you want to test a strategy or something, then instead of doing some demo, you can claim this and use it. If you're not really sure about your skill set yet, then you can also use this to practice anyway. So that's all for this video. Make sure you subscribe, you like, and you comment so it can reach more people, and share with your friends as well. And I'll bring you more gist and then more exciting news as the year goes by. All right, see you in the next video.